Yeah, hi everyone. Very good evening to all of you. My name is Atul Pratap. And so, can anyone confirm am I audible properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Okay, so this is the first live coding session of the week 1 in the PDSA course. So we will start very soon. So first of all, I want to discuss about the things why we are taking this live coding session. So actually you are already seeing that you are already getting 5 programming problem in the normal graded and programming assignment. Still we are conducting this live coding session, and also one more component we are giving code step things. So why we are giving lots of programming component as a assignment to you? So because our main motive is here, so uh, we want to you practice as much as possible, because this is the only way to improve your programming skills. So there is no magic in the to learn the programming skills in only 1 day or 5 day or 10 day. So this programming skills actually can be improved only by your practice. Okay, so by solving lots of problems, so you can improve your coding speed as well. You can improve your logical thinking ability, or you can also think you can also improve your error correction things. Basically we consider the debug your problem, or you can also improve your basically identify the corner cases, or we consider that you can improve your testing skills. So we have already see the many posts on the discourse where sometimes someone is posted that my 3 out of 5 test cases pass. So this type of things, this is also a this is also your task actually. So after learning the problem statement, this is your task, identify the inputs, what are the possible inputs for the problem. So because for example after some time, after completion of this course, if you are working in a company, so at that time, if you are designing any algorithms or codes for any particular application, which will be available for the real-time application, so this type of corner case you have to actually identify at that time. Okay, so if sometimes if your few test cases are passes and few test cases are not passes, so definitely think about that. What are the possibility of inputs? Okay, so that skills also can be improved by the practice. Okay, so okay, now we are starting. I hope you have already joined the team, Replit team, all of you, because we have already sent the invitation on the ITM email ID.
So can you share in the chat? Like I think I missed the first one.
Okay,
I
okay,
am also not joined, I guess.
okay. So those who are not
It is
joined,
not
so I'm just
got to me. It is not.
yeah, I'm sending the invitation link in the chat box. There is okay one. Wait, I'm sharing my screen first. So I hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, so I have sent the invitation link in chat box, Replit team invitation. So please, those who have not joined this team, yeah, so you can join the team by clicking on this link. Okay, I hope all have received the links.
Sir, it is showing that the link is invalid.
Oh, is it every? Is it
the invite is not valid?
Okay. So the same error message is coming for all?
Same here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you click on the second link?
It's working now, sir.
Okay. Okay, so please join all those who have not joined yet. Then we will start. Then I am publishing the problems. So today actually we have six programming problem for the week one, because week one basically have only the Python recap components. So the problem are not very difficult. The all problems are very easy. Those are based on the Python concepts. So 1 second, I'm releasing that.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So I have joined a bit late. So can you tell me what I have to do with this link?
So do you have the account on Replit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just clicking on this link, and there is one team. Actually, you have to join this team. After that, you can able to see the problems statement, and you can solve the problems.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Just click on the link and then just join the team.
So
Thank
can
you,
you
sir.
send the link once again? Where did you send, sir?
Oh, okay. So maybe you join late.
Yeah, just now I have joined.
Yeah, I have sent again.
Thank you, sir.
So yeah, this Replit invitation link is also posted on the discourse someday before, and also we have sent the invitation mail to all of you on the IIT mail ID.
What we need to do after clicking on the link?
So what are the options coming? So there is one team actually with the name of PDSA SAP 2022. You have to join this team.
So there is no button name join.
Okay, actually, okay, 1 second. I'm clicking on that. What options coming? Actually, I have already joined, so I'm not able to see what option are coming.
I think you don't have to click on the join button.
I'm clicking on
Just click on the link.
itself, it is directly coming. Directly, we are members are clicking on the link.
Okay, so can you confirm, sir, this page is coming? This, for example, this is my another Replit login. So where I can see only this page. There is one option teams, and when you click on the team, so these are the teams coming. And when you so if you have already joined the another team before, so there are multiple teams are coming. So just click on this PDSA SAP 2022, and after that, when you click on that, so there is one blank screen is coming. Now I am releasing the problems.
So actually, I have clicked on this button below where it's written plus 264. I think they are the teams, the people here are shown
Okay,
here.
so you have already joined now. Now I am releasing the problems. 1 second, just refresh your page. Then you can find out the problems.
So in these team members, I'm getting my name at the last. So does it mean that I've joined this?
Yes.
group?
Just refresh your page. Okay. So after refreshing, you are maybe these 4 problems you can see.
Yes, sir. We now able to see in the problems.
Yes. Just start from the problem number 1. Okay, I'm releasing all the problems. Okay, just refresh again, then you can see all the 6 problems. So in the live coding session, we will use the Replit team, but after this session, we will also release these 6 problems on our C portal. So where you can see all these 6 problems, and then you can also submit your code on the C portal. Okay, but during the live coding session, we will use the Replit here, where I can see your response, what you are doing actually. Yeah, Ravina, just refresh your page if you have already joined the team. Now, sir, you can tell again how. Okay. So those who have joined late, now I'm sending the link again.
Adul sir, just one doubt. Is it not possible to do it on mobile app of Replit?
I think you can do on the mobile also, because if you are able to.
I have joined the group. It is showing me the group, but I can't see the working or the coding problems
Area.
that you have released.
Okay. So currently, actually, I'm not able to opening on the mobile, so I don't know what the interface is coming on the mobile. So, but if the problem is, if you are able to see the problem, so just click on the problem one, and then just you can click on the here. Okay. Now just click on the problem statement. This MD file here, the problem1.md, and here you can see the. So you just click on the open preview button, and then now you can see the problem statement.
Okay, I just refreshed it. Now it's visible. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So here when you click on this problem1.md file and just click on the open preview button, then here you can see the problem statement. Okay, and this is your writing area.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, your screen is not changing if you are changing it.
Oh, okay, 1 second. Okay, is it for everyone? What you are actually looking, what is in your screen now?
It is the page of Replit where it is written PDS September 22 and no question statement or other thing is there.
Oh.
Currently, it's showing who is coding. Now your cursor is.
Okay, 1 second.
Adul, I think you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Okay. It is actually visible at the bottom of the page. You first see the participants and then at the bottom.
Yeah, actually this is. Okay. So this page is you are able to see now. Actually, I have opened the another tab. So.
Yes, sir.
So do we need to write the code in that MD file or like we need to create a pipe file?
Okay, 1 second. Now this page is visible when which I am scrolling now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So just click on the problem one. Okay. And this is your writing area, main.py. Okay. And this problem1.md, this is actually MD file, markdown file. Here you can see the problem statement and you have to return the code in this area. Please don't remove this suffix part because this is a suffix that will take the input and will print out. Just write code here, write your code here. Okay, according to the problem statement. So once you have completed your code, just click on this right button on the left side. Okay, and just click on the run test. So here you can see the status of your code. It is passing the test case or not.
So please, can you repeat what we have to do to run the code?
So this is your writing area. Here you have to write the code. Okay. After writing the code, don't remove this part. Okay. Just click on this right button on the left side. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, you can see this 4 test cases. And then after that, just click on the run test. If I'm clicking now, so this is showing that all test cases are failed.
Okay.
Okay.
So it will be automatically saved.
Yeah. This if you are writing the code here, then it will automatically save.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So I have joined this now. Can you tell me how to go to this?
Okay. 1 second. I'm just sending the invitation link again on the chat box.
Sir, I have a question here. So it will get saved automatically, right? So
Yes.
in these questions we can see again, right? How in the Replit itself, right?
Yes, you can see again.
Okay. So just now you have told that you will you will again share these questions in the portal, means in our course.
Portal, yeah. We will also release these all 6 problems on the portal after this session.
So do you have to submit there also and here also, or it will go direct?
Yeah, you can actually that there is no deadline to submit on the portal. Actually, we will remain open till the end of the this term for your practice only. Okay, so once if you have completed here, you can also write your code on the portal for your practice on.
Okay.
Because
So I have a question here. One more question here. So last year, actually, in term 2, so foundation term 2, so we had some marks for practice assignments also. So these assignments will be having marks in.
Yes. So all practice assignment has some bonus marks.
Hello.
Yeah, please. Hello. One second. Yeah, so all practice assignments have some marks, bonus marks basically. Hello. Can anyone share the link of the joining of the course session? Okay, JS Ranjit, I'm sending the Replit team link again, the chat box. Here you can join. So those who have joined the session, please try to solve all these problems in the duration of this live coding session, because actually we are giving these timelines because actually you have one OPP exam for this PDSA, and where you will get the 2 hours to complete the 4 programming problems. Okay, so please make the habit to complete all the problems in the time limitation. If anyone have any doubt to understand the problems and any doubt to find out the logic, so you can ask in between. Yeah, Ranjit, I have sent the link again. Join. So the first problem, what the problem statement is saying that there is one positive integer m is a prime product. So one definition is given here, prime product definition. So if it can be written as p into q, where P and Q both are primes. So that means this is a prime product.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, one thing I just have where to run that test cases.
Okay, so so this is the actually this is writing area. You have written this your code here.
Okay.
Okay. After that, just click on this right button.
Right
Left
button. Okay. Right button.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you can see this 4 test case, and there is one button run test.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Just click on the run test. If your all test case are passed, then just there is one button submit on the right top. Just click this submit button.
It's showing a failed actually means I think my code is correct, but it is showing all are failed. And in result button, it is showing actual output difference. There is nothing. Only expected output false is there.
Yeah. So just check your code again. Your code is working correct or not. Just think about the sample input. Here 6 is given. Output is true. Okay. So so you can also test your code for the input here now. Okay. Just here input is given, and then this is output. Just after writing the code. Okay. Just click on this run button.
Okay. Got it. I am checking that.
Yeah. So here you have to return a one function prime product m, and that takes an integer m as an argument, and return true if m is prime product and false otherwise. If m is not positive, function should return false. So you have already saw some codes for the prime checking the prime number in the beak. Just use that code.
Excuse me, sir.
Mm-hmm.
In this problem, there is a sample input is 6 and output is true. But in my comments, I have coded already. When I'm running that, there is a test case 4. I guess it is passing. Test case 4. All the 3 remaining failed.
Okay. 1 second. I'm just opening your Replit. What you are doing actually?
So same happens with me.
Okay, 1 second. So what's can you tell me what's your name? Devasish Nayak.
Yes, Devasish Nayak.
And what is your Replit name?
So my Replit name is where to get that? Devasish Nayak only. Devasish Nayak.
Okay, 1 second. I'm checking. Devasish Nayak.
Just search, I guess. You can get
Devasish Nayak. Yeah, this one. So this is your code?
Yes, it is my code.
Okay, so if you are running this here now 6 false. So why your code is returning false for 6? Because 6 can be you can get the 6 by multiplying 2 and 3. Both are prime.
Yes.
Okay. So just check your logic again. That means
but one test case is passing. I just want to know what is the
so that is the things actually. Actually, your code is not working for all possibility. Okay. Some corner case your code is working, but another case is that it is failing.
Okay. I'm checking that.
So please, can you check mine also? Same happens with me. Only 4 test cases passing.
4 test cases are passed. Okay. What's your name?
So Srishti Tiwari.
Okay. Returning false. So same for here. Your code is returning false value for 6, but 6 can be, you can get the 6 by multiplying 2 and 3, and both are prime.
But sir, I think my code is right, and still I'm not
For if your code is right, why is returning false for 6?
So can you spot the error in my code?
Okay. So what you are doing actually, this is prime product, and this is here you are checking the prime value. Okay, so result equal to true for I in range 2 to n. If n, okay, so ambition to 0, result equal to false and break. Okay.
Atul, what is n there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yes, sorry. It was
Oh, okay, just correct it. Okay, I'm just checking that if I'm using m here.
so in fourth line
I think it
also
should
you
go to till m plus 1.
so in fourth line also I should have m there. N modulo
No,
I.
no. So m plus 1. No, not required. You can also run this loop only for m by 2.
So in fourth line, I have written n modulo I. There must be m in place of n.
Oh, okay, yes. Still fail. Okay, now check the lower part. So for I in range, here this is the input n. So I in range 2 to n. If n percentile I equal to 0, if is prime, return 2. So here you are not checking actually. The product part you are not actually checking.
Sir, like that product should be is equals to n.
No. So both product actually, if so, what is the problem statement? Just see that. So if you can write, so this is the input actually. Okay, so m. Here you can write, you can get this m by multiplying both p into q.
That product should be equals to the input.
Yes, input, and both these multiplier value p and q should be prime.
Here, sir, we have to check both factors. No?
Yes, both factor you have
That's
to check.
why. She is checking only one factor. That's why.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, I have done the program coding work. So can you please have a look?
Okay. So your all test case are passes?
Yes, sir. All
mine also.
pass.
Okay, if your all test case are
Mine
passes,
also,
just
sir.
move to the second problem. Actually, those who are not.
How can we move to the second problem, sir?
Yes, so that's why.
No, just go back.
Sir, can you tell the answer those who are not able to do it?
Answer, sorry.
Can you tell the code those? Actually, I'm not able to do it. So can you tell me the code?
Okay.
Sir, excuse me.
Okay, well, yes.
Sir, can you just check mine once? Means I have applied all the logic, but I don't get it. Why it is showing wrong? But in my opinion, I guess I am correct in knowledge. I am checking all the all that that product, all the P and Q. So can you check that, please, mine?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sister.
So in this code, sir, can you tell me what should I correct in between?
Actually, what you are doing actually, so you are just checking that if n is divided by I. Okay, so this is the one factor actually, I.
Yes.
And you are checking that this is a prime or not, but you are not checking the other value.
Okay.
Okay, so here you
sir,
can.
how can I modify this?
Okay. So what you can do is, if the n is percentile I equal to 0. Okay, so you can also just get the r value remainder value, which not remainder, quotient value. Here we can get n, or this is I. Okay. So this is the quotient value. Actually, here we are getting. So now these are the two product actually I and R. If you are multiplying this I into R, you will get the M.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So now these both value I and R should be both should be prime. So you have already checked here one value. Now you can take the another condition, N is
prime R.
Prime R.
Okay.
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 But I think some indentation issue is coming now.
Hello, sir.
Sir, please check mine, sir. I have told you just.
So seriously,
Sir, there
just
is-
check your code. Just correct this indentation issue. So this red symbol is coming because of some indentation things.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. One second. If this is else. Oh, this is inside. Now this is correct. Yeah, all passed. Okay, Srishti. Yeah, another who so Devasis. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Devasis. Your
Sir,
code is
can you
also
check
not
that?
working. Mhm. So those who have completed the first column, just back to the team and just start the second column. Okay. Column 1, view summation. Devasis. Yes, Devasis. So what is the status
Yes,
of
sir.
a test case? Only one pass.
Yes, sir. But I have applied the logic correctly, I guess. Like I am checking both I and M divided by I. That is, you have set that reminder.
Okay, so first thing is this is your prime checking code, no?
Yes, it is my
Here,
prime.
so this is the function where you are checking the number is prime or not.
Yes, I'm
Okay.
assuming initially that it is prime. Then, if it is divisible, then it is returning false.
So, but what you are doing actually, this is n. You are taking n input here. Okay, but here you are passing m. So which function actually we are calling this prime product function?
But that n will be assigning to m, na? Because it does not matter in n and m, I guess.
No, no. So what is the problem statement? Problem. Okay, so have you changed the suffix code?
No, I have not changed any suffix code.
Oh, okay. So I think some function name is incorrect. Okay. So no issue. Prime product. Okay, so just write the prime product. Okay, this is correct. But this function is actually calling prime product with n value. Okay, and okay, this is fine. So prime m here, and if okay, just check the your prime code. Answer I. So answer equal to true, and I equal to 2. Okay, if n equal to 1, then answer equal to false. While ans and I is less than equal to m dot square root. First thing, it should also be equal to
Yes.
square root of n. If I percentile I equal to 0, answer equal to false. Then I plus 1 will return answer. So if n equal to, so here you can see the another condition where you're taking 1. If n is less than equal to 2. Okay, that is also fine.
Yes, that is also fine.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Now check the prime product. Here you are checking if m is less than equal to 0, return false. Okay. And now you are checking this. M percentile I is equal to 0. It is found that M I.
Print idle time I have just taken for debugging case. You can comment.
Even I'm also with the same logic, but again, but it's not false.
Yeah, your voice is not audible if you're talking. So who is talking actually?
But even I also have the same logic, but for me also the same.
Are not audible properly. So okay, is prime I and is prime M remainder I. Then return true. Just I'm checking again, looking past test history. See. Thought it was correct, but what happened here? Okay. So this is equal to false. Mhm. So here you are getting M equal to I equal to 0.
I guess it is correct logically, everything I guess.
No, but here your code is returning false for 6. And
Yeah, I don't understand like why it is 6.
I'm also trying to debug it once. So if M equal to I range 1 is prime. Now let this return to that's a lot. One and 6. Oh. Okay. So now just use the 2. Okay. Okay, so actually you have started this loop from 1.
So
Okay, and
then
every
why
time,
can it started it from 1 means why it is showing?
actually, if you are starting from 1, then here you are using m percentile 1 equal to, so this condition will correct, will become
Yes,
true.
condition will be correct.
Okay, and here you are checking this 1. Okay, and the other value is 6. So 1 into
1 and
6,
6.
you can get 6. Okay, and I think for 1 and 6, what your code is returning?
It will be returned the false and
Okay.
false.
No. Oh, okay. Yeah, false and false it is returning. And false and false returning, then your code is returning directly return false here.
Yes, it will be returned false.
But actually it is checking for 1 and 6. But you can get the answer this 6 by 2 multiplied by 3.
One thing I just have to ask, let's say there is a prime 3. Let's say I'm giving a 3. So its
Okay.
product 1 into 3 is 3.
Yeah, 1 into 3 into 1 and 3 into 3. But 1 is not prime, na, actually.
1 is not prime. So
Yeah.
that's why we are directly eliminating the thing. But I am doing from 1 to m plus 1. So that is should be correct. Na? Means 1 is not a prime, obviously.
But you are taking this one as a product here. And you are checking here this 1 is prime or not. And you are directly return this, if by checking this condition, you are directly returning this true or false value.
I got it. Means if m percentile, m modulo I equal to 0, then again I have to add a condition else, like else return false. If it is not a divisible by or what.
Yes.
Sir, can you look at my code once?
Okay. Yes. Who is this? Adit?
Aditya.
Adit Singh. Okay. Okay. The same problem number 1?
Yes, sir.
Adit Singh. This is you? 873?
Yes, sir. It's me.
The factors. Oh, you are returning the factors, then you are checking this prime or not. And after that, you are doing this prime product. Okay, what is the status of test case? Only
It's
one
not
pass.
passing for 6 only, sir.
No, other test case is also not passed. No.
Yes, sir.
So here you can see input. Okay, so input is not. Okay, so what is the correct logic?
So I'm getting the proper list of primes that I had tested. Like that line number 21, you can uncomment that, and you can check that I am getting that proper list of
all the
prime numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah. And from line number 22, I think there is some problem.
Okay, here you are just multiplying the prime numbers.
Yeah. And if it is equals to n, then I'm returning true.
Okay. So for 6 it is working?
No.
Oh, this is the smallest test case. So for this smallest test case, what you are getting actually?
You can uncomment that line number 21, sir, because I am. You can see that I am getting the proper
6.
Atul, shall I suggest here? We see
sure.
Yeah, what is possibly happening is he is actually looping through for P and Q, going through every element in that list, right? So the first time it becomes this product is not equal to 0, it just returns false and exists. Right? Is it correct? So the first time you compare the first
Okay, okay. So I think I should use that flag thing.
No, so what we want to find out is if it is equal to n, then it has to return true. Otherwise, don't return false for now.
Okay, okay. So I just move the else statement after the loop.
No, at the end of both the for loops are over, you simply write a return false.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
You got the point, no? Because it is looping through both those lists and it will compare the first two elements and then it will check whether the product is equal to n. If it is not equal to n, it will simply return false. It will return false and simply exit. That's it.
Yeah.
Got it, no?
Yeah. So you can just shift this else part after.
Yeah, no, else you have to totally remove and return false just in alignment with the first four. Right? I mean, that probably works. I'm not sure. We can just try. You can remove the else totally.
Yeah.
Yeah, and remove, no, there is no if here, no?
Yeah, yes, just remove this else part and just shift the return one more.
Return to the yeah, return one more to the left.
Yeah, Adit, remove this line number 28.
Yeah, thank you, sir. My all test cases passed. Line number 28.
Yes.
You can check that
Okay,
my
so
all
probably
test case
no.
has been
Okay,
passed.
this else is
Okay.
So this else is coming as the other one. If n less
Yeah,
than
this
equal
is
to
this else is working for actually this is working for. Actually,
Okay.
in Python we can take the else for
okay,
for.
okay, okay. I was not aware. Okay, sure.
Sir, could you check my answer, please?
Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. So
Sir, actually, my 3 test cases are passing.
okay, once.
So can you kindly read the statement for problem number 3? I guess there are 2 typos, so there is no confusion later on.
Okay, okay, one second. Problem. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm just checking the problem number 3. What is the mistake?
So there is typo mistake over it.
Okay. 1 second.
Sir, I have also sent out in problem number.
Yes, sir, right here. The 11 needs to be L1, and I think the second L2 needs to be L1.
Oh, it become a 1. Okay.
It's just a minor typo. The 11 needs to be L1, I think. Line
Yes,
number.
yes. This is L1 and L2
And the
as input.
second L2 needs to be L1 also.
Okay, so the return the list consisting of the first element in L1 and then the first element in L2. Okay, that is fine. Then the second element, yeah, this will become L2. Okay.
Sir, can I ask, sorry to interrupt in between. So how to submit? My all test cases are passed. So for the first one, so
Yeah.
what to do now?
So
How to-
there is one button on the right top here, you can see.
Hello,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, sir.
Okay.
So can you please look at my problem?
Okay, so for problem number 3, just consider this this is L1 and second
L2,
is correct. Okay, and this this L2 is it should be L1 also. Okay, this type.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please look at my check my code, sir.
Okay, just wait.
Sir, full name do.
Okay, 1 second. I am just correcting this type of things. Number 3. And this is 11. Okay. And then the first element of L2, the second element in L1.
Yes, sir. Full name do, sir.
Bala.
Sir,
So who is this?
sir,
Yeah, Pawan
Purnendu.
Kumar.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Bala. This is problem 1, sir, regarding.
Problem 1, Pawan.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So those who have a problem, just raise your hand. Actually, then I will take one by one. Okay, so Pawan Kumar. Okay, problem number 1. So what is your Replit ID, Pawan?
Bala hyphen Veera, sir.
Bala.
Yeah.
What is this? Can you
So on
check?
question number on problem 2.
This Bala Veera, just yeah.
This Palavira.
Yeah, yes.
So on problem 2, sir, it told that write function delete character. But in my in the main our function has already written. Right.
Oh.
Delete character.
So solution is already written.
Some part of it is correct. It's partially written. Partially.
Okay. So I should write after that, or I should remove that. That thing.
Oh, just remove this. I think I don't know.
So I think so. There is similar for fifth also partially. I mean, 2 or 3 lines are still written.
Okay.
Because
So
on the
just
line
remove,
number 1, it's written right here.
Just remove this part here.
Okay.
So
Hello, sir.
Error is coming. Yeah.
Sir, please look at my code.
Yeah. Balavi, who is this name?
Sir, Purnendu. Sir, Purnendu.
Yep. Okay, Purnendu, 1 second. I'm looking the Pawan code. Then I'll check.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So yes, Pawan, this is your code.
Yes.
So what is the status? Code is working or not? Same thing. 6. Your code is also not written the correct answer for sample case. So factor 1 and 3. Prime product. N is less than equal to 0, return false. K factor n. What is this? Prime ki. What is the K factor? Okay.
List of factors, sir.
So actually, you are just adding this 1 and then prime n. Factor n equal to 1, comma. Okay, so this is okay. But what happens if more than 1 factors are available? So more than 2 factors are available apart from this 1 and n. And you are using the same factor list here, I think. Okay, factors. And there is one also possibility here. So 1 and n is also there in this factor list. Okay.
No, Atul, I think that the definition of prime, right? That is actually returning true if number of the factors list is only 1 and n, which is correct, no? The logic is correct.
This part is correct. But actually, this factor list is also using here in this prime product.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. So maybe there is a possibility in the factors list 1, 2, this. So for 6 examples, so 1, 2, 3, and 6 will be the factor in this list. If we print this.
Yeah, correct. That's correct. 1 should not be there, right?
Yes. Okay. So for example, 6. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 6 is there. Okay. So after that, here we are using this loop I in range from 1 to length k. if prime of ki, so okay, you are skipping this first value now. You are starting from this one index. So, okay, so one will not come. Okay, so okay, definitely we are checking from the second value. So if prime ki, then L dot append ki. Okay, and after that, if ln of L is greater than 2, what is this? Prime, okay, so 2, 3, you are checking, so ln. Why you are taking this ln of L is greater than 2?
Sir, two prime numbers, products having two prime numbers, then it will be true, no, sir?
So in that case, so this 2, you are getting the inside this list L. Okay, so you are getting this 2 and 3.
Yes, sir.
So on that basis, why are you returning true? You are not checking another things.
Be greater than or equal to LL. I don't know.
Equal to, still I am not sure that it will work.
Yeah, not.
This is not the correct logic actually.
It's not coming.
So because just you are collecting the so you are collecting the all factors. Okay, so for example, if so this what is output is coming 2. Okay, now fine. So for test case 4, so what are the possibility we can find out here? 2, 3, 2, 3 is okay. The other prime number is 5. So if we are taking 3, 5.
Good evening, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but the logic here is, suppose if we take 100 as input, then there are two plus like 2 and 5, but it's not be equal to 100, right? So that is the logic we're missing here. So we have to evaluate like 2 into 5 is equals to 10.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I am just writing here. Print L. Okay, and you are saying that if we take 100, oh sorry, it's not return the correct thing. Yeah, 100. In that case, we are getting this list. So these all are a factor. In the first list, these all are factor, and this is the second list, 2 and 5. So you are starting from this 2 and append, and then okay, so I need
Yeah, so 2 and 5 are there, but the
yeah,
product of 2 and 5 is not 100. That's
not 100. Yeah, and it is returning. So is there any product available which where we are getting the 100 by prime numbers? I think there is
No, sir, we are not getting it. We'll be getting a false as an output. So we
because
need
there are
to
only two primes in that list, which is 2 and 5. And anyway, the product of that is not 100.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the possible input where your code is failing. Your logic is actually not checking correctly all the things.
Right, sir. Understood. Thank you.
Okay. So simple logic for this problem is actually you can just find out the first factor. So for example, if we are giving input 6, okay, so you can just check that from for example 1 to 6. There is no need to check for all the from 1 to 6 for the factors. So for example, if we are starting from 1, so we can skip the 1 part. Okay, we can start from the 2 directly. So if this number is divisible by 2, okay, so what is the quiescent value here? 3. So you can directly check for these value 2 and 3. These all are prime or not? So these 2 and 3 both are primes or not? Okay, so no need to run 2 times loop or 3 times loop. So we have already seen in the previous solution. So just use one loop and check that this 6 input is divided. So this 6 is completely divided by 2. And what is the QSET value is 3. So just check that both are prime or not. If both are prime, that return true, otherwise return false. Okay, so same things you can take, for example, 10. Okay, so we will start from the 2. So 2 is just check that this 10 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, so the remainder will be 0 here. And now what is the another value for multiplication? This is 5. 2 into 5 by you are just getting 10. So just check that this is prime or this is prime. If both are prime, then return true. So this is the simple logic you can use to solve this. Okay, so we can move to the second problem.
So,
Mhm.
so I have I'm having difficulty with my code. Can you just check very quickly once?
Which problem?
So the first one.
Okay. What's your Replit name?
So it's there at top, so Srutanic, SRUTANIC. So just saw me. Yeah, there. So the Srutanic.
Yeah, so this is the prime things. M is less than equal to return false. Okay, else I is 2, then this is what is this? This is the square root things. Okay, and if rate is 0, return false, then okay, this is looking correct. And this is prime product. If n is less than equal to 0, return false directly. Okay, else I is range from 2 to n. Okay, so if n percentile I equal to 0 and is prime I and is what is this? Just use the double slash here. Just write the double slash here.
Okay, sir.
Actually, this is division, and you can get the float value here. Okay. So
Right,
now
it's
अतुल सर मैंने चेक करोगे एक बार.
Hello, sir. Sir, can you please review my code?
1 second. This is not correct till now. Okay, so if all conditions are true, return true, else return false. So same things, you are just, if this condition is not true, you are directly returning the return false value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just remove this else part from here and just use this return value
outside.
Outside.
So, but why is this happening, sir?
Because, for example, if you are checking the first value and that the remainder value is 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but if the first value is prime and second value is not prime,
yes, sir,
there is a chance after that maybe you will get the 2 factors where both are prime that are not checking. You are directly return the first return the answer in the first check.
Okay, okay, nice. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, who is telling?
Sir, me.
Purendu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so same problem?
No, sir. Question number 3.
Question number 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, my 2 test cases are passing, but 2 of them are failed.
So in question number 3, it's not taking input as 0, like starting from 0.
So third one, 6th one, 6th one. 6th one from the top.
No, this is not. I'm just opening the problem number 3. Then I have to check. So so what is this? So this is shuffle actually, but what you should do, you just take the first value from the first list, second value from the second list. Okay, but just append in the final list. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be the sequence. Okay, so same for the next input. 0, 1, 2, 4. This should be the answer.
Yes, sir. Please check it.
So now, Purendu,
Sir.
the
So
problem
will
number
you take a number is starting from 0?
Yeah, it is starting from the first element from the list 1 and first element from the list 2.
No, sir. If I am giving the input starting from 0, then I am getting error.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I'm
Hello,
checking
sir.
this Purendu.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I have submitted problem number 2nd and 3rd, but it's not showing. It is showing continue working.
Continue working?
Yes, in my screen it is showing matlab continue your work, but I have
It is
submitted.
passing the test case or not?
It is passing all test cases.
Okay,
Just
one
refresh
second.
the page.
Just refresh. Yeah, refresh the please. Or
Okay.
after testing, after passing the test case, just click on the submit button on the right top. Yeah, so this is yeah, Purnendu.
Sir.
Yeah. So what error is coming? Yeah, all tests are not passed. Okay. So you are getting two lists, L1 and L2, and just you have to shuffle both lists. So this is the output list. Okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if len of L1 equal to len of L2, okay, you are taking this condition. Then for I in range, len of L1, then you are just appending the first element of L1, first element of, okay, this is fine. Return L. And the second condition is if len of L1 is greater than len of L2. So what you are doing? So len of L2, you are just appending the elements. Okay, L1 dot append I to find. And then where from you are starting the second for L1, range L2, you are starting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I think you should take +1 here. Because
Sir,
you have already completed this last element. For example, the length of L2 is 5. Okay. That means you have insert the 5 elements from L2 and you have already insert from 5 elements from L1 in the list. Then again in the same loop you are starting from the len of L2. That means this value is 5. Len, okay, 1 second. Yeah. 5. This is okay. This is representing the index, and this is len of L1 plus 1. So why are you taking this L1 plus 1 here?
Sir, because the loop will go through length of L1 minus 1, no? So that's why I have taken +1.
No. So what, for example, if your L1 length is 10, so there your
Okay,
index will start from 0 to 9. Okay. If you are taking this length,
okay,
L,
okay. So
okay, then that means you are taking one more index. Maybe the error is coming in the test case.
So means, sir, I have to just remove +1 from both the loops, right?
Okay, I'm just checking that. Yeah, passed.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, can you review fourth one too with us?
Which one? Sorry.
Sir, fourth problem number 4.
Okay, I think someone have doubt in the problem number 2. Okay, I'm taking this one first. Yeah, so who is that? Is there any problem in problem number 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Srishti. Okay. But 2 is here. System.
So I have problem in line number 5 here.
Return s dot replace c by empty.
So this code runs well for when the c length of c is greater than 1. But if the length of c is equals to 1, then it is not able to replace all the c's from that string s. So I think there's error in line number 5. In place of this s dot replace, do I need to do something else here?
Okay, so once again, if len of c equal to 1, then you are just okay. So what is this problem actually? So that takes the string s and c as input, where c has length 1. So here it is given that actually. So c has length 1 only, single character. So there is no need to else part for that. And returns the string obtained by deleting all occurrence of c in s. If c has length other than 1, okay, then function should return s. Okay, let's start. And what are the sample test case? So for example,
She
banana
should
B.
be replacing only the variable c. She is actually replacing the character.
Oh, okay, I see. Len of c. Cj.
In line 5, it should be only c because c is the variable name.
Yeah. Good catch.
Thank you, sir. It was a very minor mistake.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. And do you have the problem in 3 also? Any?
No, sir.
Okay. So who is asking for the problem number 4? Yeah, Anil. Anil.
Yes, sir. Sir, me. I am asking for question number 4.
Yeah, Purindu. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So problem number 4 you have doubt.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm having problem in problem number 3.
What book is this? Adit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Adit, I'll take after that.
Okay.
I've already opened the file. Yeah, Purendu. This. Okay, what is the problem statement? Write a function expanding L that takes a list of integer L as input and returns true if the absolute difference between each adjacent pair of elements is strictly increasing. Okay, so that means you are just check the difference between each. So 1, 3, 2, 4, and this is 5. This is that. Okay. So what you are doing here actually diff expanding L, if ln of L is less than 2, return true. Okay, fine. And then diff equal to absolute of L1 minus L0. Okay. For I in range 2. Okay, so this is the first step. So you are not changing this step?
Yes, sir. It is given by default. So I have just it's already given, so that's why I don't change. I can't change.
No. So actually, the value should be strictly increases. The difference should be strictly increases.
So we should
Yeah, so
give this.
this is the first difference between L1 and L0 you are getting. Okay,
Okay,
fine.
sir.
And after that you are checking the next difference. So this is the second element. This is the third minus this second.
Second, yes.
Okay, if it is greater than the first diff you have already calculated before the loop. So if this is true, and you are not checking after that, you are directly return that false statement here. Okay, so this is also not correct.
Okay, sir.
And
Then we have to return true.
just,
Okay.
yeah, just take and flag value here. Okay, just
Okay,
assign by false, and after that just inside this if condition. Okay, change this diff value also. If
Okay.
this condition is true, just assign diff equal to this difference, absolute difference. Here you are also not using the absolute difference.
Okay,
Just
okay, sir.
use
I am
this
done.
line also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And after completing the, if your loop is completing, so anytime if it is condition failed, so just return directly false. Otherwise return false. This is true.
Okay,
So
sir.
I
Okay.
think it will work. So for example, use ABS.
So then it should be greater than 0, right?
No, not greater than 0. It should be greater than diff. And after that, just change the diff value. Diff equal to this difference. And okay, so this
Return. This should
yeah,
return
this
true.
should be inside the else condition. Else. And false. You can just check it. Oh, failed. What are the things now? So len of L is less than equal to 2, return of 2.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Mhm.
Sir, I think it will have an index error.
Index error, where it is?
When I
So
reaches
to
the length.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. When I
Len of,
reaches.
I think it should be 2.
Yeah. So, sir, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me.
Sir,
Okay. Hello.
Hello, sir. Yeah.
so it
Okay.
should
Okay.
return false when it is less than or equal.
Actually, we are asking the problem. It should be strictly greater than. Okay, difference should be strictly greater than. Absolute difference should be strictly greater than. So here we are taking this greater than condition. If it is true, then we are assigning this diff equal to this difference. Okay, this is looking fine. And else return false, else return true. Error. 1 minus 0 we have already checked, and then next value is 2 I. So this is I plus 1, 3 minus 2. Len of I. Why this len of I? Len of I.
So one more level.
Oh.
Sir, I am not able to understand this question actually. Can you explain? Like.
Okay. Okay, just check that where is the other error is.
Sir, I think len of L.
Sir, I have
minus
solved the same question the same way. Can I present?
Your answer is correct?
Yes, sir.
So just find out the error here.
So the loop should run till len of L
len of
minus
L
1.
minus 1.
Where?
Sir, for I
Here
in
this
range, yes, sir, minus 1.
One test.
So only.
I am getting the same error, sir. Test case 1 is 1.
Okay. So what are the other possibility? Plan of is equal to 2. This is fine.
So in this code, it is checking only greater than. If we put equal to sign, it will pass all test cases. In line number 8.
Line number 8. Okay. So what you want to take here? Equal to?
Yes, no.
No. Look, this condition is looking fine. L plus 1 minus Li plus 1 minus Li. Okay, this is greater than diff. Then we are just changing the diff value. Li plus 1 minus Li. That's what.
Sir, you're not considering the difference between the second and third element. You're directly starting from len to index 2. Right?
Index
Here
2.
it should be index 1, right, sir? Like you have to check the difference between second and third element also.
Oh, this is third and this is second. Oh, all right. Yeah, boss. Thanks for correction.
Yeah, so thank
the
you so
one
much.
well
Thank you, sir.
one pair is missing to check. Okay, fine.
Sir, will you be adding any more problems today?
Who's this? Indra.
Indra, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
Will you
what are
be
you asking?
Will you be adding any more problems today?
So you have completed all 6?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is fine. So now I don't have the more
The
problem.
6 or 4 means there are 4 questions, I guess.
No, just refresh the page. Total 6 problems are there.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Sir, I have doubt in third question.
Okay, so Indra, we have so today in for today's session we have only 6 problems. Okay, if you have completed, so you are good.
Sir, can you check third question once? Like
Kausal Kishore, okay.
Sir, it's not showing submitted, last submitted. It's only showing continue working.
Just
Even
refresh
if I
the page.
Okay.
Kausal.
yes, sir.
So yeah, this is Safal. This is your code.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is this?
3 tests
One-
have passed, sir, but last one is not passing.
Okay, fine. So this is your new list, and here you are taking the one condition: len of L is greater than equal to len of L2. So while of L len of L2, we're just appending L1 0 and L2 0, and you are also removing the element. Okay, L1 0 0 and so while L1 new list of append L1 0.
Remaining elements I added in this.
L1. Okay, so
Yeah, since L1 is longer than L2, so whatever elements are remaining in L1 that I appended in next while loop. Again,
okay.
in the next else statement, if L2 is greater than L1, then same thing happened, but in according to L2, I did.
So remove L. Why you are just removing from L1 here?
No, sir, I think L2, sir, that is.
Okay, you are just appending the L2 0 and then L2 dot remove.
L2, it should be L2 0, I think, sir, yeah.
Okay. So no, remove element. So this is the okay. This is the element.
Yes, sir. It ran, sir. All test cases passed, sir. That was the error, I think.
But yeah, now that is passed.
Is there any mistakes in this? Or it is correct.
No, it is correct.
Okay.
All tests are passed.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Any yeah, Anil Kumar, Srishti, Devasis. Do you have any problem? You have already you have raised the hand.
Yeah, Atul sir, this is Anil Kumar.
Sir, I have done this question 3 in means different way. So
Okay, 1 second, Devasis. I think Anil Kumar is waiting.
okay.
मेरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का टेस्ट पास नहीं हो रहा है, चेक करेंगे वो जरा.
Anil Kumar. Okay, 1 second. Question number 2.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. So, Anil, what's your Replit name? Anil Kumar, same or other?
Only Anil Kumar.
Anil Kumar. Okay. Yeah, last one.
Some square or odd number.
Oh, this is the delete character. Okay. So, care. This is the failed. All failed. Okay. So the question is, what is the question? Statement is saying that if yeah. So there is one string S and there one single character C. Okay. And if the length of the character C is 1, so just remove the all C from the S. Okay, just return the answer. If the length of the C is greater than 1 or other than 1, just function should return the same S. So there are two conditions here we have to check if the length of C is 1 or not. Okay, so this is following in your code or not. If C length of C is equal to 1, okay, for C is equal to, then C return S. But here you are taking the else part. This is not at the correct indentation. Just place at the correct thing. Return S. Okay. So I think there is no need to write these things. Just I am writing a comment. And this string equal to empty string. Are you using anywhere this output?
I think नहीं, कहीं use तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ, तो ही नहीं.
But ये था already code, उसको मैं delete नहीं किया था.
Okay. You just check. Yeah, passed.
Passed.
So you got now what is the
Yeah,
error?
got it.
Yeah, this else should be say for the same indentation of this if. ठीक है, अब correct.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, Devasis, Anil, Purendu.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have done that question 3.
Devasis, question number 3. So today actually we have taken 6 problem because the problems level is not too high. But from the next session we will take maximum 4 problems. So we will discuss more details. So actually difficulty level will be increased week wise. So okay, Devasis.
अच्छा अतुल सर एक क्वेश्चन हो रहा है.
हाँ अनिल बताओ.
मतलब आप जैसे कोड लिख रहे हैं ना, तो डिफरेंट पीपल आर राइटिंग इन डिफरेंट वे. तो आप ये बता रही है ना कौन सा अच्छा है, तो गुड फॉर अस. दिस इज द बेस्ट वे और दिस इज नॉट दैट बेस्ट वे, बिकॉज़ आप कैसे भी लिख सकते हो ना कोड. तो
right. So for these things actually yeah, so this is the main things for this subject, efficiency. Who is the efficient code, which is the efficient code actually.
Correct.
So yeah, that things we will learn from the week second. What is the efficiency meaning actually? So what factor we will use to compare the algorithms and compare the codes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for the short time, I'll just discuss what we will consider for the consider to check efficiency. So we will just okay, I'm opening the one GitHub notes. I think you all know about this GitHub notes. So we have just written this summary. Okay. So what is the main motive here? The number of operation or instruction when program runs. So basically we just used for efficiency, we use the parameter time complexity. Okay, time complexity of the algorithms. Okay, I'm not going in the deep. So what is the meaning of time here? So how much time actually your code is taking? So the main things is actually time we measure in the number of operation the processor is executing actually. So for example, if you see this code, the first code, okay. So how many number of so if we consider that every line is a single unit and that it will execute in the 1 unit time. Okay. So how much so how many number of instruction will we execute when we will run this function for any value of a? So how many number of instruction will be executed actually? So only 2. When we call this function total a equal a comma b, if we take any value of a and b, so only this s equal to a plus b will be executed and return s equal will be executed. Okay. And there is another program here, n equal to input. Here we are taking the input from the user, and after that this is a unit. So when we will run this second program, so this first instruction will be executed only one time, the second instruction will be executed only one time, but after that there is a one loop. Okay. So for example, if we are taking n equal to 10, so this loop will be executed according to our input value. So if this n equal to 10, that means this s equal to s plus I will be executed 10 times. Okay. If we increase this n input, for example, if we are taking this n equal to 100, so that means this line number 4 will be executed 100 times. Okay. So that means the number of instruction execution is here now depending on our input size. Okay. So this is another category. So that means, so for any problem, so for example, if you compare this GCD or prime code, okay, if you just compare these two code for the checking prime or not, just compare this one. Okay. If you can see these both code are looking exactly same, but here what we are doing, we are just checking this prime, and here we are using this loop from 2 to n. Okay. But we can also find the correct answer for the same problem if we run this code by 2 comma n divided by 2 value. Okay. So for example, n is 100. That means we are running this loop 100 times, but here we are running this loop maximum 50 times. Okay, so here the number of instruction will be reduced compared to the upper function. So same things we will compare by this function. So here we so not this one, math square root. So same things can be checked, number n is prime or not, by using this function also. But here what is the range of our loop is only this math square root n. So for example, if we are taking 64 value, for example, so that this value will run only 8 times. Or compared to the same previous, this will run 62 to 4 divided by 232, and this will run 64 times. So that means total number of, actually our main goal is total number of instructions which are executing at the time of running should be minimum, should be less. So that algorithm or that code is the efficient code. Okay, so we will just learn these things in the week second, where we will discuss the complexity things, and here where you can find the things. So what is the efficiency meaning here? Yes.
Yes, sir. Actually, you are checking mine code. The versus 9.
Oh, okay, Devasi, sorry. Okay, so we will so just I think release 2 have already released. So week 2 have already released. Just check watch the video and then you can find the answer. Okay, Devasi. So this is Devasi's problem number 3, Devasi's. And can you find your ID? I'm not able to see your name.
Sir, I guess you can search that. No, search member is option there.
Sir,
Not in here.
if we have
Top.
done, sir, if we have done all the
AB.
problems, so can we leave?
Yes, yes. Those who have completed all the problem, you can ask.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So what is it, Dev?
Yes, sir. DBA.
Devasi snack. Okay. This is Safal. And what
Yes.
error is coming?
No, no, sir. Actually, I have just corrected.
Okay. So you are saying that
Just
you have
Just
solved
check my
in
code.
the another
It-
way.
Yes.
Yeah, this is first thing. This you have calculated the length for both and equal to min of, okay, this is the min value. For I in range and lot of li. If li is greater than li, answer. So you are okay extending the list here now. That way. Okay, those are so how number of elements are remaining. You are directly appending in the list. Okay. So this is the first condition, and equal to you are also taking return. Okay. Okay, you are also returning the answer. Okay, fine.
Sir,
Else
can you
one.
check question 4? Actually, just one test case, it is not passing for mine.
Yeah, so Devas is the your solution is correct. It is fine. It is covering all the cases. So who is asking for the question 4?
Sir, me actually, the versus 9.
Devasish,
Actually,
okay.
one test case is not passing. For question 4.
Problem number 4, Devasish. Yeah, problem number 4. Expanding list, okay. If ln of L is less than equal to 2, return true. Difference is L1 minus L0. So same thing, just take one here. You passed.
Sir, but why you are taking one from? Actually, we are
Okay,
taking
so actually first difference you are calculating from first the index 1 element and index 0 element. Okay, if you are taking 2 here, so what is the first value will come in the I? 2.
2
Okay, and then you will put here 2 and this will
and
become
3.
3. Okay, so you are just calculating the difference between 3 and 2, but you have missed the difference of
Between
2 and
2
1.
and
1.
no, that's a 2 and 1. Yes.
Yes, you have skipped this
Okay.
pair because of yeah. Yeah, Nissan. Yeah, Bikram.
Yes, sir. Question number 1, I'm not able to pass test 4.
Okay.
Rest I have done, sir.
Bikram. What is the name of your Replit ID?
Vikram P2. Yeah.
Yeah, this is problem number 1. Okay, so this is your code for the checking prime. Okay.
Correct.
I in range 2 to P. If I is P, okay, so this is the written false into P. And this is the second. So prime product n for I in range 2 to n, and for j in range also 2 to n. If I comma j equal to n. So k to n equal to n, and is prime equal to I, and is prime equal to So the condition is true and true and false. Okay. And you are running your loop from the two in both case. So we number of test cases are passed. Okay. Two. So what corner case is missing? So I in range 2 and J in range 2. I into J equal to N. So this is N you are getting. And is back to so, logic is looking correct, but what is the specific case? So, for example, if we take in time,
I have tried all the numbers also, sir.
Okay, let's see. One test case is failed. No, so what is this? P
for primes.
No, so why are you taking I percentile P equal to 0? It should be
P mod I. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, sir.
All individual employees for all returns. This is always based.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, can you check my question number 3?
Sir, I have
Are they-
completed all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, those who have completed, you can leave if you want. Yeah. So, who's asking? So, Bikram, you have done, no? Yeah, Bikram. So, just raise down your hand. Yeah. Okay. Nishant,
Yes, sir.
do you have any doubt?
My first case itself is not solving.
Which
Not
problem?
sure what's trying to say. The
Which
first
problem?
itself is not. The first problem itself is not running. The prime one, the same one.
Okay,
that we are
Nishant.
solving.
Okay, Nishant. Okay, I'm looking. Left.
I haven't been able to submit it. Do I need to click the submit button for you to be
Yes,
able to?
yes. If there is one. No. I can see your current Replit now. So this is your code.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what you are doing is prime factor equal to 1 for p in range 2, x. So factor and you are appending the all factors. Okay. Factor equal to 1, x and return 2. Okay. So if n is less than equal to 1, return false. Else for I in range 2 to n divided by 2. Okay. Okay. So if I'm simple I equal to 0, and just use the double slash here.
So previously I had done that also, but then also the code won't run on me.
So no, you are not using the return false anywhere in your code.
Return. Oh, okay. So for this last return false, do I not need to use else condition or elif condition?
Still your code is not correct. Okay, I have to check. N equal to 0, J equal to 5. If I and 3. Return true. Yes. So when is this coming from? Oh. Was okay. That means 2 and
2,3.
print I comma change what the value is coming. Print state. 2,3 still it is showing false. Why?
2,3 still it is coming false.
That means your prime is not working correct. I think.
So t is in range of 2 to x. So if x percent
2 to x. Okay, so if you are passing 2, then your code is not running correctly. So 2 to
x plus 1.
Yeah. True.
Oh,
Passed.
right, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Sir, can you check my code, sir?
Yeah, okay. One more is actually pending.
Myself, sir.
Yeah, Chiranjeevi.
Yes.
Chiranjeevi. Yeah,
Sir.
Chiranjeevi.
Third problem, one case not passed, sir. Can you check?
Which problem? Fourth?
Third problem. Third problem.
Third problem. Okay, okay, Chiranjeevi. One second. Chiranjeevi. What's your Replit ID name?
Chiranjeevi Aina Prabhu. A-I-N-A-P-U. A-I.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
A-I-N-A.
Okay, 1 second. I'm going to the problem 3 and then here I can see. So here you can just stop me if you see your name.
Okay. No.
Yes, Chaitanya Misra, Indra Kumar Reddy. So I'm not able to see your name.
Sir, A-I-N-A.
A-I-N-A. A-I-N-A.
P-U.
Okay, this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, this shuffle one, no? Okay, shuffle L1, L2, this is L3. The length of the both are same. Then I range L1, you are appending the element of both in L3 and return L. Okay. And this is the second condition. If L1 is greater than L2, then you are just appending the element I in range of L1. Why L1?
Because length is more now, that's why.
No. So actually, if the length of L1 is greater, okay.
Okay.
So you are just appending the all element of L1 in. What you are doing?
Three test cases are passed, sir. One case now missed.
Okay, don't you can ignore this. But what is the your output list? This is L3, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here if the length of L1 is greater, okay, so you are just running through the length of L1, and then you are appending the element of L2
to L1.
Okay, so this is the mistake actually. So actually,
It should append in L3.
Yeah, L3 or
and then also it will not work, sir.
Yeah, and then it will not work actually. So what you are doing actually, you are here, you are just appending the L1 element into L2.
Okay.
Okay, but what the problem statement is saying that, so for example, this is your this is the case. If you see that, so if you see this this test case, okay, here the length of L1 is greater than L2, and in that case, what you are doing, you are just appending the element of L1 into L2. So that means your answer is your, according to your logic, answer is coming 1 0 2 4.
Yes, sir.
But it is not the case actually. So here actually you have to read the element, one element from the list 1 and the one element from the list 2. Then you will repeat the same process for the another elements. So what you should do actually, you have to use the same L3 list. Okay, so just correct your logic here now. So if the length of, okay, this is greater than, first thing you have to just check, you have to go through for the smaller length list 2. Okay, and after that just use 3 here, 3 dot append L1I, this is fine, and just write one more time.
Okay.
Okay, here now L2. Okay, and after that some elements will remain in the L1. Okay, because the L2 list is smaller and L1 list is greater element. Okay. So you have already copied all the element of L1 in L3, and the same length element you have already copied from L2 to L3. But now after that, some elements are remaining in L1. Okay, so just use one another loop, or you can directly append the list. So you can directly like this L3. This, yeah, L3. Okay. L3 equal to L3 plus, and L1 is greater. Okay, so L1 1, and use the slicing. So what is the slicing? The first value will be, so len, you can just take a len of L2. Okay, still you have to take 1 plus 1. Okay, so same things you have to write in the second loop. Now the so okay, so this is L if condition is greater than, now the one
length of L1.
L1, this will come here L1, and this is okay. Now this.
L3.
And this will become 2. Okay, just check. Failed, still failed. Okay, so what is the mistake? Now L1 is given L2, for in this L2 we have to append all the element L1 and L2 here, and L3 equal to L3 plus L1. Okay, len of L2 Q2. So yes. So L3 plus L1 or len of L2. Len of L2 taking. Okay, we have to skip this one. Okay, so we are taking this len. Okay, so the index will also come the one more from the last element.
Okay.
Okay, so now this is the correct.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, and yes, so
Sir,
Devasis,
mine.
who is this? Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Aditya, which problem?
So same question, problem 3, sir.
Problem 3. Okay, 1 second. It's saying 182.
Yeah. Sir, actually, the problem in actually I had not written for the if the list is smaller than L1 is smaller than L2, and it is working for equals to L1 if length is equals to L1 and L2, but it's not working for L1 greater than L2.
No, so all conditions are covered or not? Actually, just check that. What you are doing here, list map int str1l2. What is this?
Like L1 is a string, no, sir.
No,
like
L1 is a list.
My function is getting a string as an input.
No. Actually, this is a eval, and if we are giving the input list,
so can you
take
check that capital L1 type? I think it is returning
no.
a
So
string.
actually,
sorry, string
so
not.
what
It's returning integer. Like L1 and L2 is integer in my case.
No. What you are input you are giving here?
1 3 5 7 8 9.
One space or comma?
No, just simple, sir.
So why are you giving this input? Actually, this is not a case. Actually, if you see the problem statement, if you see the problem statement, so what that takes two lists. Okay, and this is the input sample here. This is a list actually. Why are you giving the string? To check your code, and this is the another input. Actually, this eval is working like, so if you are passing string like this input, for example, so just like this, so 1 comma 2 comma 3, it will convert it this list. So this eval function actually it will read as a list, this thing.
Okay.
Okay, so for example this, and second list we are, for example, 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, then this. Okay, so your code is now returning error.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you can see the print statement. What is this? Print L1 comma L2.
It means if I can remove these things.
I am not I'm commenting this, and then you can check what we are getting in input.
1 3 5 6 7 8
Oh.
9.
No,
sorry.
I'm also
sir.
typing, 1 second. I am inputting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
1 comma 2 comma 3 comma. Yeah, input we are actually giving in that way.
Okay.
2 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. So you can see what the value is coming in L1 and L2. So input is coming in that way, as a list. After that, you have to perform your task.
Okay,
so, okay. So I think we have already removed that part.
Yes, sir.
So after,
now can we see?
this,
yeah.
Just check your code if you are okay to get this part.
Let me, sir, give the input. May I?
No. Okay. I'm just checking your logic.
Okay.
Okay. So this is now list, and this is your output list. So if both length are same, for I range length L1, okay. So L3 append Li, L2. Okay, this is fine. Returning error. And this is the second case. If length of L1 is greater than L2.
Yes, sir.
So first thing, what is this? If I is greater than length of L2.
Yeah, if I will run continuously on L1, and if I will be greater than L2, then it will just simply append L1 into the L3, whole L1 into L3.
Okay, so I'm getting your point. So I in range L1. Okay, so that means you have taken the largest length.
Yes.
L1. Okay, And after that, this is the first condition. If I is greater than of L2, okay, you are taking else part. Okay, so L3 dot append L1I, L3 dot append L2I. So this is fine. And then this is L1 dot I is greater than. Okay, but the range actually you have taken here is a len of L1.
That greater one.
Okay, that is fine. So I think some error will come because, so for example, len of L1 is 10 and len of L2 is 7. Okay.
Okay.
So you are just running the loop for L1, and that means for 10, 0 to 9. Okay.
0
so
to
0
yes.
to 9, so 0 to 6. So that means the last index for this list 2 is 6. So 0 to 6 it will cover by this loop.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. But for the seventh index, so what is the condition 7? So for I equal to 7, 7 is greater than equal to L2, not greater. L2 length is 7. So this condition is false. Just check when the I becomes 7. So what is the indexing for the list 1? 0 to 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the indexing for L2 is 0 to
6.
6. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that means when we are starting from I equal to 0. When the I becomes 6, that means L2 is complete. Okay. Now just move one more iteration. So I becomes 7. So when you are taking I equal to 7, so this condition is not true.
Yes.
7 is greater than len of L2. This is also 7. This is not true. That means
Yes.
you will move to the else part. And
Yes.
then here you are writing L3 dot append L1 7. So this is the 7 index is available for L1.
Okay.
But for L2, the 7 index is not available. That
So I
means
should put equal to there.
yeah,
Greater
equal
than
to you
equal
can
to
yes,
here.
equal to you can put. So in that case, your index error will come actually.
Okay.
Okay, so just equal to sign here. After that, you have to take one more part. Okay.
Yeah,
Then
of
one
smaller than.
is smaller than you have to take one more part.
Yeah, just
Okay.
I will copy and just change that sign.
Yeah, just
Can I check, sir?
Yes, do this. Just change the naming or everything. Okay, so just check that if the error is coming, then I'll take again. Next one is okay. Aditya, so just
3, 4,
try
5,
it.
6, 7, 8. Yes, sir. Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Ravina.
Yes, sir. Question number 4.
Question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. Expanding. Okay. Expanding it. Oh, strictly decreasing. So okay, this is L1, and what is the status of test is 3 are passed. Okay. Spoil this for I range L1 minus 1. So in difference, you are calculating this. ABS L1 plus 1 minus L. Okay, so len of L minus I. Okay, this is fine. Minus 1 is also fine. For example, 8. So no, if you are taking this len of L minus 1, so for example, list have 6 element. Length of list is 6. So this loop will start from the 0 and len of L minus 1 is 5. Okay, so it will 6 minus 5 and it will 1 more less. Okay, that is fine. So difference you are calculating here, ABS. So this is 2 minus 1. It is okay. Minus 1. Still I'm confused. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and you are appending all the difference here, like 0 for I in range len of I if li plus 1 is greater than li flag equal to 1. Turn to. Yeah, so Ravina.
Yes, sir.
So for example, if you are running this this loop, okay.
Yes, sir.
So for example, your last two value is for example, I'm taking the difference value. Okay, so this is like increasing order now. So 1, 3, and then 2, then 4, then 6. For example, you are getting these difference.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you are using this loop here, and now you are checking that. So here you have taken this flag equal to 0. Okay, and you are checking this li and li plus 1 comparison. That means you are checking that 3 is greater than 1 or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for first comparison, this is true.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means you have set the flag 1, and then again you are checking for the second. This is false. This condition is not true. That means you are not taking any condition for this. So that means this condition is not true. This so this means your flag will remain the same 1.
Sir, but when I put else condition and make the flag false, it still shows error.
Yeah, that it is still so the error because your loop is not stopping. For example, if you
I've also tried by making flag equals to false, and after that I put break.
Okay, 1 second.
Still not
Else
working.
else okay, so I'm just appending this. Flag equal to 0 and then break. Yeah. Okay. So okay, now when you will get the 0 value, then it should be break, and after that you are just checking that flag equal to 1, then return true and flag equal to false. Okay, I'm just checking test this. It is passing.
So I must have done some mistakes.
Okay, so now you got the point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anytime this condition is false, that means your sequence is not in the correct increasing order. So at that time you can just assign the flag equal to 0 and then break the loop, and after that just check that flag equal to 0 and return false.
Okay,
Or
so
you can also return false here.
Okay.
Sir, can you check like only one case who is not being passed?
Aditya, okay, 1 second. Yeah, Ravina is now okay, it is clear. 1 second, Aditya. Nishant, do you have any doubt?
The second question, one case is not passing. Test case 4 is not passing.
Second question is not passing. Okay, okay.
Yes, second question, test case, one case is not passing.
Nishant, the problem number second. Else part. Why are you writing this here? str.append s. And you will return a str here. And okay, 1 second. If len of c equal to 1, Then for ch, what is ch?
For character in S,
Okay, you are reading the character. Okay, fine. If ch does not equal to c, then str equal to str plus ch. Okay.
so anything that is ch will not get appended in a string. Else, the entire string will get I mean that S will entirely get appended to the string, and the string is what we need final return.
Okay, fine.
Sir, we don't have to only return the string in this case.
So
As in,
it is
Like
appending.
we have
calling
to.
for
There is two.
return.
If
I'm calling for output as str in one go only instead of going separately with if length c is 1 or not 1.
So str dot append s, it works.
no, sir, because it's a string, na. We cannot append in a string.
Yeah. So you can write this like str plus s and just str equal to.
So str dot append is also working.
But you are not
tried
assigning
it in my case.
str dot append. I think there is no function for string. This append is not used for the string.
So can you see mine?
Okay. 1 second here. So str. So for example, s equal to this is ABC and s is equal to a. Oh, this is sorry. Yeah, s equal to ABC. Okay, so this is s. Now s dot append. I think there is no function method. For example, D.
Maybe D.
This is returning error. Okay, so append is not used for the s. Append is used for only for the list. Okay.
Sir, can you check mine?
Who is this?
Aditya, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Adit, problem number?
3, sir. So one case, the test case is not being passed.
Failed. Okay, so what condition is still pending? So here the length equal to, okay, that is fine. Now is greater than equal to line of code. Now you have just I. For I in length L1, L2, then L3 dot append L2 I. Okay, so first condition is else equal to is greater than and else is less than. And so for I in L2. So if I is greater than equal to len of L1, and L3 dot append L2 something to L1 Okay, just take some input sample. Just see that what the error is coming. So for example, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, and second list just we are taking for the equal length. Okay. So
sir.
4, 5, 6. So 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. It is working fine for the equal
Yes.
length.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now just check for the another piece. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now second list I'm taking greater than. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. it is working fine or not. So 1 4 2 5 3 6 then 7 8. That means if the length of L2 is greater, so it
Then
is
it
working.
work. Else part is working.
Yeah, else part is working. Then now check the other part. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. None. This condition is not correct. You are not returning anything.
Okay, sorry, sir. My else is has came inside. My return statement has came inside else.
So just return L3.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, this is fine. This will work. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Srishti Tiwari.
Hello, sir. So
Yes,
I have
Srishti.
doubt in question number 5.
5. Okay. Just checking what is the problem. Right. Write a Python function sum square L that takes a non-empty list of integer as input and return a list odd even where odd is the sum of square all the odd numbers in L and even is the sum of square of all the even number in L. Okay.
Sir, can we if we are not able to solve all the 6 problems during this session, so it will be available after the session?
Yes.
On Replit or not?
Yeah, Replit. It will be it will be available. So you can submit the assignment later also, but the deadline we have set 11 p.m. Okay, 11 p.m. you can till 11 p.m. you can submit. That will consider as on the time. Okay. After that you can also submit, but it will be a late submission.
So are these
It will cause any problem like?
No, not a problem. After, so I am also release these 6 column on the portal also. Okay.
So are this assignment going to add up to on the bonus points?
Yeah, this is also a practice assignments, so that will also.
It will be available on our portal also.
So if we do before 11, then we will get bonus, else not.
Yeah, you will get the bonus.
Okay, after 11 we will not get the bonus.
Basically main motive over here is just do complete all the problems, just practice the problems. Okay, on the time, basically in the time, just complete all the problems in the timely 2 hours or 3 hours. It will increase your problem solving speed, where you can solve all the four problem in the OPP exam. Otherwise you will feel the less time in the OPP. Okay, so bonus marks, definitely if you solve all the problems you will get the bonus marks. So Srishti, yeah, so it is not working. So sum odd equal to 0, sum even equal to 0, L equal to this is okay. For I in range len of L, okay, so if L of I is does not equal to 0, then you are adding into it some odd I square. Okay. Why you are using I square?
So because we have to add sum of squares of the elements.
But this is not an element, this is a index.
Yeah, it should be L of I square.
Yes.
Okay, that's why I'm failing all the test cases.
Yeah,
I thought
L.
the logic behind was I thought it was correct. My logic was correct, but still I was not getting the proper answer.
Yeah, that is because you are reading the index. Okay, just check. Still failed. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. I have to check. So sum odd equal plus equal to this, else pass. Okay, you have taken else equal to pass here. Okay, so this is the first things. Then L0 dot append sum odd. Why the L0?
Because the first element of this new list should be the sum of all the odd numbers in the list.
Okay, but there is no element here.
I think I should change the name of this list, because I'm taking this list and this the previous list and the new list are same as L. I should
No. This is not a thing. So actually, what is this? L equal to empty list is correct, but you have to save the sum odd at the first place and sum even at the second place, like this. Okay, but here you are taking L0. It will work when you have taken the sub list, nested list here, that it will take the append operation. I think your code is failing because this line is returning an error, because there is no nested list inside at the place of 0 index. So just remove this part. Now, when you are appending this sum odd, then it will save at the first place. At the second time, it will append at the second place.
Okay, by default it will take this.
Yes. Still
Still
failed.
failed.
Okay. So okay, I'm checking. L dot append sum odd. Define for I in range len of L is equal to 2. Then Li we are taking.
So I think the problem here is I'm taking L, both of the sides same, the new L
Okay.
and yes,
So just I'm changing this one and return L1. Yeah, this is also a one mistake. Yeah, passed.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Sist is done. Yeah, with this Sarma, Puri Sarma.
Yes, sir. My name is Papuri Sharma.
Papuri Sharma, okay.
Yes, I have doubt in two questions. One is fifth one. So another one is third one. Actually, third one, I have seen that students are writing many big code. So but I have done very short way. But can you check? Can you check whether my code is correct or not? It worked actually.
Yeah, this one.
This is the fifth one. I have doubt. So this one test cases did not pass.
Third one you are talking about?
First one, third one, yeah. First you check third one.
Third this one. Oh, so for L equal to this, L plus L1 and L2, and then L sort. It is working?
It's working. Can you check it?
Oh. Yeah, it is passing all the test case, but I am not sure it will work in the all test case. I think some condition is not covered in the test case. For example, if I'm taking this list, and okay, so 3, okay, 5, 7. Okay, this is the first list. Okay, and if I'm taking the 7, 4, 1. Okay, so what should be the answer actually? So, okay, I'm just reading the problem statement. Okay, so there is no condition is written here. The output should be in the sorted form.
Yeah.
Okay, so in that case, so for example, if we take in this two list, so what your code is returning? 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7. Okay, but answer should become 3, 7, 5, 4, 7, 1.
Okay, then short is not required, right?
Yeah. So there is a chance we have not taken this type of condition in the input, but your logic is actually not correct according to the problem statement.
So if I'll remove L dot short, will it work?
No, still it will not work, because what you are doing actually, you are just appending both lists. So you are so for example, I'm removing remove this. So for the same things, okay, I'm just putting again. So 3, 6, 4.
Okay. Understood. I have understood here. Yeah.
So
Then it is
7,
3, 7, 3, 6, 4, 7, 1 will come. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is coming, but answer should be 3, 7, 6, 2, and 4, 1.
Okay. I'll work
so,
on that.
Yeah, so this is not the logic character. Yeah, by mistake, it is passing on the test case. Okay, so the
Can
second
you
is
check the fifth one?
yeah, fifth one. Okay. Yeah, this one. So this is the sum square problem. So odd equal to 0, even equal to 0, odd equal to 0. So if I reach L, Li is, yeah, that means it is, if it is even, so you are just adding even plus equal to Li. Okay, this is fine. L if okay does not equal to 0. So L dot append even, L dot append odd. So is there any test case fail?
All the test cases failed.
Oh, what is the mistake? Li len of L1.
For every, so can I add something in this?
Yeah, sure.
For every for statement, L is getting appended to even and odd. So
Okay, L dot append
L should
even.
be appended at last, sir, not every for
Okay, fine. Yeah, so L, yeah, this even and odd. Yeah, fine. It should be outside of the loop we can use, or this is actually a function, just add one. Yeah, so this is the correct catch. Still fail. What is error? And all. For example, if I did this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are getting 20 and 35. So 20, we are actually, what the problem statement is saying that even is coming at the first place or on the second place. So where odd is the, okay, so odd and even. Actually, the sequence should be come in this order. Okay, so just write here odd and even. Now it should work. Yeah, work.
Yeah.
Okay, you have you got the point. What?
Yeah, I got the point. Yes, I got the point. Actually, this is I have to append odd first, then even. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is also error. This was also error.
Indentation error is coming. Yes.
Okay.
This is actually out of. Okay. Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay. And causal? Yeah. Do you have any doubt?
Yeah, can you explain me a little bit? 6-1, I'm not able to.
Yes, 6-1 problem. Okay.
Yeah, 6-2.
My problem is also
I tried.
I'm not able to sort, sir. I did my dictionary. I'm not able to.
Okay, so I'm just telling you the logic things how you can solve. This is the histogram, no? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the input. Okay, and you can take the you can use the dictionary to count every number. So
oh yes. So
okay.
we can use the dictionary. Yes.
You can
Key
use the
value we have
dictionary. Yeah, so I'm just telling the logic.
Yeah, understood. Okay, sir, I'll try.
So can we use set also?
Yeah, you can set also, but still you have to store the frequency of each element.
So set has the property to count the elements in it. So can we use it directly?
So if you convert this list into a set, definitely all repeated value will be removed. Okay. After that, you have to still count all the frequency. For example, if you are converting into a set S, So all duplicate value will be removed
Oh,
automatically. Okay.
Okay.
So so no problem. So for example, this is L, and we can convert directly set and L. Okay. So it will return a unique value set. So S will now will become like this. So 13, 12, 11,
understood, sir.
14. Okay. Now after that, you can read the element from set and just count the value of each.
Excuse me, sir.
But still there is a problem, like how will
Sir, how
we
to
arrange
sort
the
the
keys
dictionary
in
set
ascending
this?
order?
Okay,
Yeah,
so
how to sort the dictionary both by value and keys? That's the problem.
no,
Yeah,
so
that-
what is the required output actually? You can convert your data structure accordingly. So for example, after doing this task, frequency task, this is the thing. So actually, we have to return our output in that way, in the list form and tuple form. Okay. Inside list, we are returning the tuples, and this is a 1 1. So where the frequency of 1 1 is 1, and our output is returning in the sorted sequence in the by the second parameter.
No, sir, by both, sir. If it is if value is same, then it has to sort by key.
Yeah,
I mean,
sort by yeah.
Right.
Yeah, fine. So what we can do, we just take the dictionary. Okay.
Right.
So for this sequence, just we can find out the frequency using the dictionary. So for example, 13 we will get the 2, 3, 4 value. Okay. So 12 we will get 2 value, and 11 we will get 1 value, and then 13 we have done.
Actually, count equal to 0 karke count we have to increase, right? If the key is there in the dictionary, then we have to increase the count, increment the count, like that we have to do, right?
Yes, you can initialize if the key is not present in the dictionary.
Yeah,
just initialize by 1.
So that I've done, but how to sort this is the problem. I'm getting the answer, but it is unsorted. The answer is matching, but how to sort this is the problem.
So just read this dictionary, okay, and just you can make this dictionary as a list, like, so just read this dictionary using the key and value form.
Right.
Okay, and just take one list, for example, L1 equal to empty list, and just read key and value combination and put this value first, and just take a tuple value, comma, key.
Right.
And this all tuple you can append inside this.
Okay.
Okay. So every time what you will do, L1 equal, so you will get the list like this. So 4, 13. Okay. 4, 13, and the second you will get the 2, 12, and then you will get 1, 11, like in that. Okay.
No, I can convert a dictionary into a list of
tuples
tuples.
list.
That is
List of
okay,
tuple.
but within that tuple, it is not getting sorted. So I'm not
Okay,
getting the key.
One second. Okay, 1 second. So after that, what you can do, just apply the L1 dot sort.
So that is also sorting as per value. Then again, I'm not getting the correct answer.
Yeah. So after sorting, just convert this order.
Convert the order means?
Here we are taking the frequency first and value second position.
Right.
Okay, but in our output, what is coming? The value is coming at the first position, and this value is coming at the first position, and the frequency is coming at the second position. So
right.
after sorting, just make one more list, L2, and just read the element from the sorted list, and just replace the order, just swap the value.
No, that order is also coming, but it is what the answer is coming. It is sorting as per both. So if the value is the same, if the second item of the tuple is the same, then it is sorting by the first item of the tuple. So it is the final list is in ascending order based on value, and if value is same, then it is based on key.
No. So for example, if we just okay, I'm just using the sort things. If you can see, so L equal to L equal to. So you are saying that, for example, if you are taking 1, 2 here in the first tuple, and sorry, 2, 4. Okay. Now I'm taking 1, 4. Now the value.
So this value wise, it is okay.
No. So 2, 3 I'm taking.
Yes.
It is fine. So the sorted should become like this: 1, 2, then 2, 3, then 2, 4.
Then 2, 4, right?
Hmm?
Right.
So yes, if you apply this L dot sort.
No, but in this, what we are getting, sir, suppose you add another item, say 1, 3.
L dot append. 1, 3.
Right.
So 1, 3. Okay, so now this is the list: 1, 2, 2, 4, and 2, 3, and 1, 3. Okay.
Now
So
this
element
1, 3 should come before 2, 3.
1, 3. Okay, yeah, fine. So
that's where my answer is coming wrong. Otherwise, the items of the tuples are matching, but the order of the tuples is not matching, because it is saying to, if you go up, it is saying in the problem, if you just scroll up, sir.
No, because of that I am just converting the list order, tuple order. We are taking the, before sorting, we are taking the frequency at the first place and the value at the second place. Okay. Now list will become sorted according to the based on the frequency. If frequency are same, then based on the value.
Okay, got it, sir.
Okay, after that we will convert the order.
Yeah, okay, then sort it again, right?
Yes. No need to sort again.
No, because the order has to come this first.
No.
Can you repeat what you are saying?
So I'm saying that, so for example, this list. Okay, so consider that this first value is a frequency.
Right.
Okay, just I am using the L dot sort here. Now L. So now the list is sorted according to the frequency.
Right.
Okay, now just read the list and just swap the value in the each tuple. In the another list, you can do this.
Okay.
So now this first value will become 2, 1. Now second value will become 3, 1, and third will become 3, 2, and 4, 2.
Okay.
So in that case, your list output will be sorted according to the frequency. That will be the correct answer.
Right, sir. Right. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, they were.
Sir, can you check my code 6, problem 6?
Okay.
So how can we swap these values?
You can use the another list and you just read the element, read the tuple from the one list and just use the another list. Okay, I'm just coming the code, then I will tell you. Devashish.
Yes, sir. DB.
Deva still not coming. No. What? Oh,
Problem
okay,
6.
I'm searching at the wrong place. Okay. Devashish. Problem number 6. Yeah. So what you are doing? Passed. Your all test cases are passed.
Yes, sir. I have used 3 for loop for it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the first dictionary frequency counting process.
Yes.
And for key in D, yeah, this is fine. Answer L, you are appending key first. What is the T? This is value actually, and this is the key. Okay. Yeah, this is the correct one. Then this is the sorted list now. And after that, yeah, this is the correct thing. So you are just reading the element and you are just swapping the position of element and again appending in the yeah. So yeah, someone is asking the how we can swap. You can see here.
Yes, I understood.
Yes, ST, okay, just read the tuple and just append into the another list by after changing the order of the tuple.
Okay, okay,
Here,
sir. Thank
here
you.
you can see.
Sir, in means in first case answer L, sir, when we are applying sorting, so it will only sort by the first value, right? Means
No, if the first value is same, it will sorted by the second value.
okay, first value will be same, then it
Yeah.
will
Sorted by the second value.
second.
So
If
is
first
it
value is
passing
not
all the test cases?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
and if the first value is not same, then it will sort in the first one, na?
Yeah, second parameter is not same, then it will sorted by the first.
First
Only.
value. Okay, got it.
Okay. Yeah. So
Sir, there is not any optimized code for this. Like we are using 3 for loop for this.
so sorted, actually you can use the lambda function here. So for example, so this thing. So 1 second, wait. Can I remove this part? You will remember your logic.
Yes. I am got.
So this is your first list actually. Okay. Answer L. Here you can use the sorted things. So for example, A and S equal to sorted, and there is one things you can here just pass the we will use outside the loop here. Yeah. Just pass the list ANS L first and just use the lambda function, lambda x colon, and you can pass the second parameter here, x1. Okay, and return the answer. Return ANS. And I think you are failed. What the error is coming? I returning error. What is the error? Sorted expected one argument, got two. So,
Okay, it is expecting one argument means.
yeah, so there is one function I think we have. So ANS L. Still not sorted. So I'm not remembering the exact things. 1 second. Sorted by second parameter. So let's check Python. So here you can see the lambda actually. This key equal to tup dot sort key equal to this. It's you can use. So ANS L dot sort and key equal to lambda BDA x colon x1 and it should work. So Just
Excuse me,
not-
sir.
Mhm.
Sir, can we use sort function, sort built-in function?
No, actually it will sort by the first value. Actually, we want
So,
to
sir,
sort by the second parameter directly. So
sir, in sort function, we can apply the key attribute, and we can define the function which will return the second value of the tuple, and accordingly it will sort.
so no, what do you want to write here?
Sir, I have written the code and submitted the answer.
Okay, can you tell show me your ID?
Sir, there is error in that code. Sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me your Replit
Sir,
ID?
Sachin Kumar.
Sachin Kumar. 6? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is this M by F?
It's my on-defined function, which is
Where
given to the key parameter of sort.
Okay. Here you are passing this tuple 1. Okay, tuple 1. This is the parameter selected tuple. So you can also pass this append. This is the list. Okay, so this
Actually, we are modifying the sort function to sort the list.
In the last code you wrote, there was indentation errors, so I think you got error.
in which
Previous code, so that you wrote that lambda.
yeah, causal.
Yes.
Oh, there was a indentation error.
Yes, sir. There was indentation error.
So can you remove this indentation error and then check?
That was not my code, sir. Someone else.
That was my code actually.
Oh, Devasis, can you check?
Okay, sir. Let me check.
Yeah. So okay, this is also a sort way. Another, there is one lambda function. You can see here. You can directly write in that way lambda x and x1.
In this code only, sir, there was indentation error.
And you can see here there is one.
For loop.
Sorry, who is talking?
I was saying that, sir, there was indentation error when you wrote that lambda statement. That only.
Okay, yeah, that I asked for the Devasis to check.
Sir, I've completed all except for problem 3. I'm getting 2 wrong in that. 2 failed.
Okay. Yeah, so for the problem 6, you can use this sort and sorted using the lambda and using the key directly by the another parameter. And then you can also write your own code to sort. So in week 2, you will learn the sorting algorithm where you can use.
So what you told right now for problem 6 was very good. It worked.
Yeah.
No, there is no indentation error actually.
Okay, I'll check. Devasis, 1 second. So Vivek.
Yes, sir. I've completed everything. Only
Yeah,
problem
number
3 I
6.
problem 3.
Okay, Vivek, 1 second. Yeah, Vivek Vajas.
Yes, sir. I have a feeling I know where I'm going wrong, but I wanted to make it very simple. So,
Just shuffle. So this is L1 and this is L2, and you have just copy the L2 equal to L1 and L1.
I'm saying if it is, I'm taking the smaller list first and the longer one later. So I've changed that order.
Okay.
So,
L2 equal to L1, and okay, you are changing the order. So L1 is smaller and L2 is
larger.
greater.
Yeah. Yes.
Otherwise, here
it remains
also,
same.
Okay, it will remain same. What about if both are say equal?
That's what I wanted to know. Why will it make a difference, sir? Because I'm taking the smaller one first and I'm appending to the smaller one first and then the larger list. So
No,
even
so
if
this,
they are,
okay, so that will come inside. So if
I'm not
equal,
sure because I think probably that's why I'm only passing 2 cases.
All test cases are passing?
No, sir, only 2.
Okay, I'm just checking that. So if you are
Actually,
taking
sir, in
this,
this remaining elements are not getting appended. Sir.
okay.
Of the
So
larger list.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
the
So
larger
that was
list, the remaining elements are not getting appended in this.
Why is that?
Mm.
Because
No,
I'm
it's
giving the
quite
length.
the opposite. It's quite the opposite. The moment I goes out of range from the smaller list, it will show out of range. I got the same error. I tried in a different manner, but I was also doing the same.
But I'm taking the length as
Then I
of the larger list.
Yeah, so you are taking the length
agree.
of
Then I also took the length
larger.
of the larger list. So
Huh.
if my smaller list is only 5 elements and larger list is 10 elements, the moment I reaches 6, it
Okay.
will give an error for L1, whichever is the smaller list.
Okay.
So
Okay.
L1 element 6 is not existing, so it will not append. So when it gets that error, it stops the code itself.
Oh, okay. Then I'll have to rework it. Right.
Yes.
I got.
Sir, I would also want to showcase this same problem in my one also. I have tried to resolve this issue that we discussed right now, but I'm still getting 2 test case failed.
Nishant, you are getting the error still?
Yes, still I'm getting the error. I have tried equal वाला भी रख लिया, कम और ज्यादा वाला डिफरेंशिएशन भी रख लिया, और कम और ज्यादा वाले में लेटर बड़े बड़ी लिस्ट के एलिमेंट्स को भी अपेंड कर लिया, but still I'm getting error.
Okay, Nishant, I'm opening your Replit now.
Yes.
Nishant, problem number 3.
Problem number 3, yeah.
Oh, now your code is now become long. Okay. So this is your first condition if the length of both length are same. Okay, and now you are appending both, and you are not returning anything here.
So return तो last में एक साथ भी कर सकते हैं ना? Correct me if I'm wrong.
ठीक है, वो कर दिया. Equal condition है, ठीक है. Okay. So if len of x is less than len of y. Okay, for n is len of x. छोटा वाला चला रहे हो?
पहले छोटा वाला चला रहा हूँ.
हाँ, तो इसमें यहाँ तक कर लिया ये. ठीक है, ये सही है. For j in range len of y minus len of x. What is this?
उसके आगे के लिए ऐड कर रहे हैं. जो अगर सपोज करें 9 minus 5 कर रहे हैं तो 4 रिमेनिंग 4 में डिफरेंस ऐड करके ही कर रहा हूँ उसको अपेंड.
अच्छा, ये डिफरेंस सही आ रहा है ना? मुझे लग रहा है इस डिफरेंस में ही गलती होगा. So for example, okay, just wait. I am just printing. So this is the condition. अगर हम x की लेंथ छोटी रखें, y की बड़ी रखें, है ना? तो just I am printing. इस elif से बात कराता हूँ. Print I value. Okay. And after that, you are taking this j plus k. Okay. So just I वैल्यू यहाँ पर खत्म होगी और फिर हम j k वाला करा. फर्स्ट j प्लस के. सो यहाँ से आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. ओके, इस केस में अगर अब मैं इसको एक रन कराता हूँ, देखता हूँ कि इंडेक्स सही ले रहा है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट लिस्ट है हमारी 1, 2, 3 एंड सेकंड लिस्ट है 4, 5, 6, 7. ओके, एंड अब चेक दैट 2 आपका फर्स्ट. हाँ, ये आ रहा है पहला प्रिंट है ना. ओके, 2 एंड देन अगेन यहाँ पे आपका 2 से स्टार्ट ही हो रहा है. ओके, ये 3 से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए एक्चुअली.
+1 और आ जाएगा.
हाँ, तो उसके हिसाब से लॉजिक करेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. अब अभी आपका क्या हो रहा है? 1, 4 सही है, 2, 5 सही आ रहा है, 3, 6, लेकिन 6 एक बार और आ गया.
6 और 7 आना, तो इसमें +1 का डिफरेंस आएगा.
हाँ, ये यहाँ पे यानी कि
+1 आ जाएगा.
हाँ, सो +1 करके देखते हैं.
भी नहीं आ रहा है सर.
अच्छा एक वहां भी नहीं आ रहा है ना। सो ये यानी कि रेंज भी आपकी सही नहीं है, यहाँ पे आप जो रेंज ले रहे हो ना ये भी सही नहीं जा रही।
Then y
इसे
minus
+1 करके देखते हैं, चला जाए शायद। ओके देखता हूँ मैं, सेम इसके लिए देखता हूँ। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5। हाँ, सो इसमें अभी भी 3, 4 तक गया।
तीसरा एलिमेंट सर है, आपने दो ही प्रिंट के वो डाले ना, प्रिंट आई और प्रिंट j+k+1।
हाँ तो प्रिंट आई, पहला प्रिंट तो ये है,
You
इससे तो
didn't
आपका
wrote +1 sir in
ठीक है,
next
प्रिंट
append line.
हाँ नहीं ये तो ठीक है, यहाँ पे आई पे कंप्लीट हुआ।
फॉर
सो 1 यानी कि
अच्छा फॉर j इन रेंज, हाँ ओके ओके, तो पहले वो
ठीक
3
है।
ले रहा है फिर वो 4 ले रहा है।
हाँ तो यहाँ पर जाके वो 3 को इंसर्ट कर रहा है, तो 3 वाला आपका ये 0, 1, 2, 3, ये
हाँ
3
ठीक
है,
है,
ये
वो
4।
सर z डॉट अपेंड में भी k+1 आ जाएगा, तो वो आई थिंक इट विल करेक्ट इटसेल्फ।
हाँ यहाँ पे k+1 आ जाएगा तो 8 आ
यहाँ पे
जाएगा।
आपका पर हाँ k+1 आ जाएगा, और ये चीज नीचे भी रिपीट हो जाएगी। नो
ये नीचे
ability to reduce to n lines of code जहाँ पे length x less than length y है, या फिर length y less than x है,
यहाँ पर
जो
बहुत
भी बड़ा
सिंपल था।
एलिमेंट हो उसका मैं प्रिंट।
हाँ यहाँ पे वैसे इस लूप के थ्रू आपको वैसे और इतना बड़ा लिखने की जरूरत भी नहीं थी, सीधे अपेंड कर सकते थे स्लाइसिंग का यूज करके। समझ रहे हो ना कैसे?
whichever
अगर
element is
हाँ अगर मैं इस लाइन में यहाँ पर सिर्फ इतना लिख दूं, फॉर के कंप्लीट होने के बाद में z इक्वल टू z प्लस कौन सा बड़ा लिस्ट है यहाँ पर, y वाला है ना, y के एलिमेंट
इसमें
रिमेनिंग है।
y वाला
हाँ
बड़ा है,
हाँ
y बड़ा
सो
है।
y, अब यहाँ पर मैं स्लाइसिंग यूज कर लूँ, स्लाइसिंग मेरी कहाँ खत्म हो रही है, लेंथ ऑफ उस पे, लेंथ ऑफ x पे,
then
ठीक
x
है,
पे
लेंथ ऑफ x पे खत्म हो रही है। और और वहीं से मुझे आगे स्टार्ट करना है, मतलब लेन ऑफ एक्स ऑलरेडी ग्रेटर
हाँ,
आएगा, हाँ यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है बस
और उसके बाद
इतना।
फिर छोड़ देना है।
हाँ इसके बाद पूरा
got
स्किप
it,
कर
got it.
सकते हो, ठीक है, सारे एलिमेंट चले
Okay.
जाएंगे, सेम हम
एंड
इसमें चला
सेम थिंग जो उसके लिए, मतलब लेकिन मुझे अगर x बड़ा है y से, उसके लिए अलग कोड का एलिमेंट डालना ही पड़ेगा, कोड
हाँ
ब्लॉक डालना ही पड़ेगा।
ये ब्लॉक डालना ही पड़ेगा, और इसमें बस आप यहाँ पर एक्स ये अलग
इसमें भी
चेंज कर दो।
सिमिलरली वही वो चेंज हो जाएंगे। मैं
हाँ बस
वो पूछ रहा था कि कोड, इन दो कोड ब्लॉक्स को, क्योंकि वो सिमिलर नेचर के हैं, तो उनको एक जैसा उनको एक में ही खत्म करने का कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है, लाइक जो हम लोग मॉडुलस का पहले यूज करते थे, like true value of length x or whichever is higher, that we can carry on with the rest of the code.
हाँ तो
I
ये
hope
आप
it makes sense.
पहले, हाँ सो हाँ कर सकते हैं, हम पहले ही पता कर लें कौन सी लिस्ट बड़ी है ना, जैसे अभी पिछले वाले कोड में देखा था हमने, उसमें
हाँ
किया हुआ था, है ना, पहले ही पता कर लें कौन सी लिस्ट छोटी है कौन सी बड़ी है, और फिर उसमें बस एक ही हम ब्लॉक लगाएंगे, एक ही ब्लॉक का यूज करके काम हो जाएगा उसमें।
लेकिन हमको द ऑर्डर आल्सो मैटर्स ना, L1 हैज टू कम फर्स्ट एंड L2 हैज टू कम लेटर। अगर मैंने ऑर्डर चेंज करा तो मुझे फिर वो ऑर्डर L2 और L1 का भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा आउटपुट में।
हाँ इस प्रॉब्लम में ये ध्यान रखना होगा। ओके
अगर मैंने सपोज करो वो पहले वाला काम करा कि पहले लिस्ट पता कर ली और उसके बाद फिर मेरा वो अपेंड वाला
गलत
लगा
हो
दिया,
सकता है उससे,
गलत हो सकता है ना,
गलत हो सकता है, करेक्ट। तो इसमें ऑर्डर का ध्यान रखना है, क्योंकि हम L1 जो लिस्ट है, पहले जो लिस्ट है उसका एलिमेंट पहले रीड कर रहे हैं, दूसरे वाले को बाद में कर रहे हैं, तो अगर हम ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिया तो फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, तो वो ध्यान रखना है।
इसको मैं सही कर देता हूँ।
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ निशांत, देवाशीष या
Sir, can you check my code once? I have just changed your code.
the problem number 6.
Yes, problem number 6.
Okay.
And I have used lambda function.
Is it working or not?
It is not working properly actually. Means if you run the code.
No, why are you converting this into a dictionary?
like here it is using that lambda function by this. So actually I am not yes, I am
No,
creating a
actually
dictionary.
you are also returning a dictionary. So actually we are the required output is in should be in the form of list. So we can remove this
No, I
part.
am just checking. I am just checking that I'm just
Okay, okay.
debugging. That's why I have written.
Okay, 1 second. So d dot item. Okay, so what is the list? Answer your DL. Okay, so can we use the same things? 1 second. Okay, so answer ANSL and the key equal to lambda items item ones. Okay, so what now? What is the output is coming now? Okay, we test the run test this. Failed. Okay. Actually, this sort tricks I also not like. So in the second weeks, you will learn all the sorting algorithm. Then you can try your. Oh, why this is coming? Let's see. Dict object. What error is coming? Dict object has no attribute ANSL. Where we are using dict.
You are actually items here. You have to change that items because we are
What?
changing.
No. So this is actually a variable. But dict. This is D. What is this D? Oh, sorry. ANSL. Okay, just try to. Yeah. So here we are getting this thing. So what is this? What the elements are coming in ans L? Okay, 1 second. ANSL. Paste. Oh, so you have written the frequency first. Okay, just change the order. And now check. Uh, now you can see. So this order is coming now. This 13,
Yes, sir.
4.
But the fact is that in means output it is 7.2 coming first, but our 12.2 is coming first.
Field white. Oh, okay. So I am just removing this part.
No, so it will not come now because 7.2 is coming first. Actually, in output, if you are using this sample input, that 7.2 will
Oh.
come first. Then after that, 12.2, then 14.2. But here, first 12.2, 14.2, then 7.2 is coming.
Okay. So yeah, this is actually sorting only by the second parameter. It is not comparing the first if the value are same.
It is only comparing the second.
Mhm.
That's so it
Okay,
is
so that
irrelevant to first parameter.
so that we cannot use this sort. Okay, so just follow the same logic, and then after
Yes, sir.
learning the sorting algorithm, then we can make the our tuple sorting, this type of method. Okay, that is also a one problem in the week 3 maybe, sir. Okay. Yeah, so Dripto Bhattacharya.
Yes, sir. I also have a problem in problem 6.
Okay. So 1 second. Number 6. So this is your dictionary, and you are reading the element from L. If L not in visited, you are taking it 1, else you are increasing by 1. Okay, this is fine. And now for I in range of the len visited, for j in range len of visited minus I minus 1. So what you are doing here?
I am trying to implement bubble sort.
On the dictionary?
Is it not possible?
Dictionary, I think it is not possible.
Okay.
And so dictionary sorting, applying the bubble sort, but actually there is no index, no? So how you are performing swapping here?
Oh. Okay.
So that actually indexing is not available in the dictionary. At the place of indexing, we use the key.
Okay.
And okay, you cannot change the value of key. Otherwise, it will return a wrong answer. If you are changing the value, that value is representing the frequency of key, and you are just swapping the value, then all value will become wrong.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
just read the value. Okay, read the value from the dictionary and make the list. After that, apply this bubble sort.
I'm sorry, I didn't get you.
No, so just read all the key value combination in the list in the tuple forms.
Okay.
Okay. After that, apply the bubble sort on the list.
Okay.
Okay. And you have to take in one more condition. If the element, for example, if you are sorting the elements by the second parameter of the tuple, then if what is the possibility? If the value are same of the second parameter, then you have to compare the first parameter. So you have to take in one more condition using the if. Okay. If you are using the bubble sort.
Okay.
Okay. Just apply these things in your code, then it will go.
Okay. Also, I have a problem in in problem 4.
Okay. Expanding L. Okay. Oh, this is absolute difference. So len of L equal to 1 return. What return?
Okay.
So why 1? You can take the two value here. If len of L equal to 1, there's so you can also take 2, because if you take the difference of 2 value from the list, definitely you will get the 1 value. So you can say that it is in increasing order, difference in increasing order.
Okay. So
no, just change the 1 equal to less than 2. Okay, it's also fine. For I in range len of L minus 1. Len of L minus 1, it is okay. Yeah, okay. And now you are calculating the difference. If absolute of L I plus 1. So you are so this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, fine. Is less than equal to 0. Why?
wait a minute. So if
no, still this 0 value will not change in your all complete loop. So actually, every time you have to compare the current difference by the previous difference. You are not getting? Okay, so I'm just telling you that. Okay, for example, we have a list. So this is 4, this is 1, this is 5, this is 11, like this, 17. Okay. For example, if we have this list. So now what we are doing, we are just calculating the difference of each two elements. So for example, we just check that what is the difference of this, absolute difference of this. This is 3.
Okay.
Okay, so now the first condition, it is okay. This is the first condition is fine. It is greater than 0. That means the first condition is true according to your logic. But what happened when you are just calculating these things? When we are calculating the difference between 1 and 5, this is 4.
Yes.
But it should be checked by this 3 difference. So this 4 should be greater than this 3, not the 0.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So you have to maintain one variable where you can store the previous difference. And every time you just compare the current difference by the previous difference. If it is greater, so this if you are getting this sequence, this 3, then this 4. Okay, now just compare the next one, 5 and 11. So 11 minus 5 is 6. So this is also greater than by the previous 6. Okay, now next things, for example, if you take 18, so this is the difference is 7. Now it should return true.
Okay.
Okay, but according to logic, what you are checking this 0 is greater than 3, 0 is greater than 4, 0 is greater than 6. So every time it will return true.
Okay.
Okay, so this correction should be there in your code.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, just change the logic according.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so any other query? So very few remaining now.
So what happens now that it is already 11? Can we still attempt the remaining 3? I mean, whatever questions are remaining on our side?
Yeah, you can still attempt. Yeah, you can still attempt. So there is no foundation. So all problem was completed or still remaining?
No, my 5th and 6th were remaining. Working on 4.
Okay, so for first week,
This is my first time. Since this is my first time on this type of working, so that's why it probably took a lot of time.
Okay, no issue. So just complete this.
But it was really
Okay, no issues. Just complete all the problems. Maybe complete by tomorrow. So that is also fine.
Sir, for this
since you will be posting same problems on the practice. Sorry,
what are you saying?
Since you will be posting same problems on the practice problems also as practice problems in portal also.
Yeah. Just after wind up this session. So after that I will release on the portal. You can see all the 6 problems on the portal also. One new tab will come.
Right. So the ones that we have solved, can we copy our code from here to there also? So that
Yes. You can do. Actually, why we are releasing on the portal, because your OPP exam will happen on the portal. So you should also enough practice on the portal. How you can submit.
Right.
Okay.
Agreed. Right.
Sir, for this first time, is there any difference? Because I'm still pending some codes to be pending.
So no issue, just complete by tomorrow.
Okay, so time will be extended till tomorrow.
Yes, I'll accept it. Okay.
Thank you. Sir.
So in the next live coding session problem, we will reduce the problems. So actually these are the easy problems. We have taken 6. Otherwise, we will take 3 or 4 in the next.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, brother. Yeah. Okay, so any other query? Or I think it is already 11:15.
Sir, I made some changes to my code.
Yeah, there. Okay, so what change you have done? Okay, so for I in range new difference equal to this, and if okay, now this diff you have already calculated for the first 0 and 1. and then y you are again starting from the 0. So here you can take the range from 1. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you have already calculated the difference between 1 and 0 element. Okay. Now after that, if you are reading I equal to 1, then you are using 1 here, and this will become 2. So that means the second pair of element difference is coming here. If the new difference is less than, no, not less than, it should be greater than. Okay.
It's returning false. It's returning false.
Okay, returning false. Okay, fine. So if it is lesser than, then you are returning false directly. Okay, this is fine. Or you can also take equal to sign here. Okay, in the question we are asking the strictly increasing.
Okay.
Okay, now the diff equal to new diff. Okay, that is fine. So okay, just check that. Passed.
Okay.
Yeah, it is fine. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Yeah, any other query for the remaining? Okay, so complete all the problems if you have not completed yet. Complete by tomorrow. But so please make your habit. Just finish your all task, practice assignment, graded assignment before the Friday. So don't leave your task pending to the last day of submission. Otherwise, it will become hectic in the later week. Okay. Okay, so now fine. I'm winding up the session now. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Good night.